Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. Over the summer last year, we had a lot of heat and humidity here in Minnesota. As a result, a lot of that moisture was getting inside the cabin of my F-150. When that happens, odors are an issue. I was getting a smelly sock smell on hot days. What I ended up doing was purchasing 2 bags of silica bead. What it does is it absorbs moisture from inside the cabin to help with the odors. When you pair that with a product called Kool-It, it's essentially like an aerosol bottle. It has a really long straw, and what you do is you stick that up the evaporator drain and all the way to the heater core and the evaporator. And then you're supposed to use the entire bottle, spray it in there, and then it's supposed to break down any dirt, debris, bacteria. When I did that and the beads, it actually helped significantly. Now the thing about those beads, as it's absorbing moisture, it gets saturated. When that happens, put it in the microwave. So in this video, we're gonna grab those bags, measure out the weight, we're gonna stick it in the microwave to dry it out. And before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel. My channel is all about car maintenance from the perspective of an everyday guy. I'm trying to get this F-150 to last me as long as possible, and on this channel I'm documenting everything that I'm doing. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and grab the bags. The pouches containing the silica beads, I put them on the cup holders of both the passenger and the driver's side of the vehicle. So this is the Wise Dry. It's rechargeable, reactivate when weight is 650 grams. And these are the 3 ways that you can recharge it. So microwave, an oven, or a radiator. So we're gonna go with the microwave option just because it takes the least amount of time. Here it says 1000 watt microwave. You do it 2 times at 6 minutes each. My brother and sister, they're really big into weightlifting, and they use this to measure out the amount of protein, I think. Turn this on. So 0 grams is what it's reading. We'll put this on. Huh, 591 on that bag. Okay, let's see this one. Really, 591 as well? I guess that makes sense, it's in the same. Well, anyways, it's not 650 grams. It's not more than 650 grams, but I'm gonna go ahead and microwave it anyways, just because I do expect this summer to be pretty warm and humid. So we'll go ahead and go to our microwave. All right, this is our microwave. We got a Gallons. It's actually pretty reliable. We've had this thing for probably like 9 years, I think. All right, so this is a 1000 watt microwave. We'll go ahead and put the bags in here. Okay, has a dial. All we can do is wait now. Let's see here. Shake it up a little bit. Circulate it. We have to do another round of 6 minutes. Oh, look at that. Look at all that. A lot of moisture. Here goes the second round of 6 minutes. Okay, so it burnt away about 75 grams of water on this bag. 70 grams. Okay, let's get back to the truck. What I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna just set it right on the floor for now because it is still hot. I don't want it to in any way damage the plastic panel. I'll put a link in the video description of those bags. I'll also include the link to my other video where I use the Kool-It evaporator cleaner. As summer is approaching, the weather gets hotter, make sure to control the moisture inside your vehicle. An unpleasant smell inside the vehicle can make so much of a difference in your overall driving experience. All right, well, hey, thank you so much. Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.